102th level lakefront located on a cul-de-sac community. This two-story welcomes you with a bright and open floor plan. Gleaming hardwood flooring, a full wall of windows overlooking the backyard patio and dock at the water's edge. The great room offers living area, dining area and sitting area with a gas fireplace. The kitchen is well appointed with cherrywood cabinetry, stainless appliances and a breakfast bar. A first floor bedroom with a double closet and a full bath complete the lower level. The second floor offers wall-to-wall carpet, high ceiling in the master bedroom with a private balcony. This spacious master offers a sitting area and there are two master closets with walk-in with built-in cabinetry. The full bath offers two-way access from the primary or the hallway and has a separate vanity area from the main full bath. The third bedroom is spacious with high ceilings, walk-in closet and a sitting area. A convenient stackable washer/dryer is located on the second level. The outdoor living space offers a sweeping waterfront with sunset views. Large level lot with a shed and open space for entertaining. Optional beach club membership available in this walkabout community. Convenient location, minutes to major shops and NJ Transit, a short 1-hour trip to NYC. Enjoy all 4 seasons at the lake, from boating, jet ski, fishing, swimming, kayak/paddle to winter activities of snowmobile, ice fish, snowshoe, biking and hiking trials, and 20 minutes to major ski/golf resort.